So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cast your laptop screen to your TV wirelessly if your TV supports it. Now, in order to do it, just simply press Windows plus K key on your keyboard. Once you click over there, here you're gonna see it will start the searching for available wireless devices, or you can go to the more settings to get some extra perks. Once you go over there, here you're gonna see just simply type cast, and here's it comes connect to a wireless display. Just simply hit connect and it will start searching for the wireless display. Once you will find it, you will able to connect to the display, and you can just simply again press windows plus p key on your keyboard to select the project type. You can either duplicate your screen, extend your screen, and even switch off your laptop screen and directly cast to your TV screens as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.